We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about a growing trend in the business world that can save you time, reduce stress, and boost productivity: virtual assistants, or VAs. So, who exactly are these virtual assistants, and why should you consider using one? Stick around and we'll break it down. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Who are virtual assistants? Well, virtual assistants are remote professionals who provide various services to help businesses or individuals manage their workload. These aren't in-person assistants. VAs work from wherever they are in the world, using online tools and platforms to help you with anything from administrative tasks to more specialized support. Essentially, they're like an extra pair of hands that you can rely on without needing to set up a physical workspace. Now you might be wondering, what exactly do virtual assistants do? The answer depends a lot on what you need. Some VAs specialize in administrative support, like scheduling, managing emails, organizing files, and basic bookkeeping. Others focus on creative or technical skills like graphic design, social media management, content creation, or even website development. There are also VAs who specialize by industry: real estate, e-commerce, marketing, you name it. So whatever task you have, there's probably a VA who can handle it. So why should you use a virtual assistant? Well, let's talk benefits. First up, time savings. Let's be honest, running a business or handling multiple projects can mean getting buried in smaller tasks that eat up your time and keep you from focusing on the big stuff. A VA takes these off your plate, allowing you to focus on the work that really matters. Imagine spending less time organizing and more time strategizing. That's what a good VA can give you. Another major benefit? Cost effectiveness. Hiring a full-time in-house assistant can be expensive when you factor in salary, benefits, and workspace. A virtual assistant, on the other hand, is usually paid hourly or on a project basis, so you only pay for the time you actually need. This flexibility can be a big advantage, especially for startups or small businesses that need help but may not have the budget for a full-time employee. Then there's increased productivity. VAs are experts in what they do, which means tasks get done quickly and efficiently. And because they often work with multiple clients, they're well-versed in managing workflows and hitting deadlines. With a VA handling routine tasks, you'll likely find you're able to accomplish more each day. Another cool thing about VAs is their specialized skills. Let's say you need help with social media, but you're no Instagram expert. You can hire a VA who specializes in social media, bringing in their knowledge and skills without the need to go through a long learning process. This is a huge perk because it allows you to instantly add specialized skills to your team without the commitment of a long hiring process. And finally, there's the benefit of scalability. As your business grows, you can bring on more VAs as needed or even hire VAs with different skill sets to tackle new challenges. Virtual assistants allow you to grow your support system as your business grows, all while keeping overhead low. So, to wrap it all up, virtual assistants are more than just remote helpers. They're adaptable, cost-effective professionals who can give you back time, increase productivity, and let you focus on what matters most. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or someone balancing a ton of projects, a VA might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.